When the scrolling suddenly stops on your mouse, it throws off everything, browsing feels stuck, pages won't move, and simple navigation becomes frustrating. With the Apple Magic Mouse, this issue usually isn't a major failure. It's often caused by small things like surface buildup, settings changes, or connection glitches. The Magic Mouse uses touch sensitive scrolling instead of a physical wheel, so even a thin layer of dirt or moisture can affect how it reads your finger movement. Sometimes the scrolling feature gets disabled in system settings without you noticing. Other times, Bluetooth connection problems can interrupt how the mouse responds. There are also situations where the mouse is connected, but the gesture recognition isn't working properly due to system lag or outdated settings. So instead of assuming the mouse is faulty, it's better to check both the hardware surface and software settings step by step. These are the fixes. 1. Clean the top surface of the mouse gently with a soft, dry cloth. 2. Turn the mouse off and back on to refresh the connection. 3. Check your device settings to ensure scrolling is enabled. 4. Disconnect and reconnect the mouse via Bluetooth. 5. Restart your computer to clear temporary system issues. 6. Make sure your system software is updated to the latest version.